Edward and Gordon often went through the tunnel where Henry was shut up. Edward would say, "Hello," and Gordon would say, Poor Henry had no steam to answer. His fire had gone out. Soot and dirt from the tunnel roof had spoiled his lovely green paint and red stripes. He was cold and unhappy and wanted to come out and pull trains too. Gordon always pulled the express. He was proud of being the only engine strong enough to do it. There were many heavy coaches full of important people. Gordon could see Henry's tunnel in front and thought to himself, "In a minute, I'll just go at Henry and rush through and out into the open again." Closer and closer he came. His driver stopped the train.
"Oh, what has happened to me? Oh, I feel so weak."
"You've burst your safety valve. You can't pull the train anymore."
"Oh, dear. And we were going so nicely too. Look at Henry laughing at me."
Gordon made a face at Henry. They uncoupled Gordon and ran him down the side out of the way. The only engine left in the shed was Edward. Edward, Gordon isn't feeling very well. Will you come and pull his coaches for him?"
"No, I can't." "Oh, he's no use. Edward can't pull a train."
Edward puffed and pulled and pulled and puffed, but he couldn't move the heavy coaches.
"I told you so. Why not let Henry try? All right, I will. Henry, will you help pull this train?"
And Henry was delighted.
"Oh, yes, certainly.
So Gordon's driver and fireman lit his fire, some play players broke down the wall and put back the rails, and when he had steam, Henry passed out. He was dirty. His boiler was dirty. Covered with copper.
I'm so stiff. I'm so stiff."
"You'd better have a run, ease your joints, and find a turntable." Henry came back feeling much better, and they continued fun. Edward said, "I'm ready."
"Come on! Pull hard! Pull hard!
"We'll do it. We'll do it.
Pull hard!
We'll do it." The heavy coaches jerked and began to move, slowly at first, then faster and faster. The front director leaned out of the window to wave to Edward and Henry, but the train was going so fast that his hat flew off into a field where a goat ate it for his tea. They never stopped till they came to the big station at the end of the line. The passengers all got out and said thank you, and the fat director promised Henry a new coat of paint.
Would you like blue and red? "Oh, yes, please. Then I'll be like Edward and Gordon. That will be nice."